Aloha everyone. Welcome to Mind, Body, Voice. This is my new channel where I'll be sharing about my holistic vocal method called Mind, Body, Voice. And welcome to day one of a new project called 100 Days of Vocal Exploration. I invite you to join me in this 100 days of exploring your own voice. The voice is a unique instrument. Each one of us has one, but every single person's voice is different. So really only you can get to know your own voice and how it works. If you'd like to join me in this exploration, I would love it if you gave me some feedback in the comments after you watch this video, and it will help to shape the information that I share over the next 100 days. So thanks so much for being here. All right, so day one, we're going to start with the breath. The breath powers the voice, and we can all learn to breathe deeper with more relaxation and with more focus. So let's take our fingers, and we're going to put them on either side of our neck bones, of our cervical spine. So go ahead and just give yourself a little massage right there on either side of your neck, and just pay attention to the tension on either side. Okay, now we're going to release the jaw, and I want you to just allow a breath to come in and come all the way back to those fingers. I can already feel a yawn coming. Yawning is great for the voice and for your breathing system. Okay, and so we're going to just take in air for 4 counts. Ready? In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I went 5 counts. That's okay. And now let's release 5 counts on an H. Now this time, as you take in air, see if you can become more aware of any tension that's in the way as the air goes in, and release it. Ready? We go in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and same thing, as you release the air, be aware of any tension that gets in the way of the release of the breath. Ready? And release H. There's a yawn. All right, we'll do it again, and this time see if you can focus the release of your breath on the H through your soft palate, which is the roof of your mouth. See if you can soften the roof of your mouth as you release the H. So now we take in air. Ready? In, 2, 3, 4, 5, expanding through the back of the neck. And now release the H through the soft palate, nice and soft. Okay, now one last one. See if you can become aware of any jaw tension and any tension in the face and in the lips when you breathe in and when you breathe out. Okay, ready? We take in air, releasing the jaw, releasing the lips, expanding through the back of the neck. And now as we release an H, releasing through the jaw, soft palate, lips. Let's take 2 more breaths just like that. Ready? And in, expanding, releasing, expanding, releasing. H. I just felt something let go on my upper right neck. Tension that I didn't know was there, but it let itself go, and I feel more space there. That kind of thing is what we want to be aware of. All right, and let's take one more breath in, expand, release through the jaw, through the roof of the mouth. All right, and go ahead and yawn this one out. Release. Okay. All right, so that's a little exercise that you can do anytime that you want to kind of reset your breath and make sure that you are paying attention to the tension that might be happening in your neck, in your jaw, in your upper palate, and even, in your lips and your face. And as you practice that more, you're going to feel more things open up. And if it stimulates a yawn, that's great. Yawn it out and enjoy that extra breath. All right, everyone, thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Ciao.